Reims Racetrack was in the Champagne region of France, and this was built in the 20s, and they raced here until 1969. It's a 7.5 kilometer track, and it actually went through public roads, and now it is a public road. This is a public road, obviously, because I'm on it, and the stands and the pit lanes, these are the original pit lanes behind me. This is all that's left, and they're looked after by some enthusiasts who decided to, because they were falling to bits, so they come here and they look after them and they take care of them, and they repaint the signs on the front and stuff like that to make it look like it's almost like there's racing gonna happen. It's fantastic, and some of the people who raced here are legends, and it gives me goose pimples on top of the freezing cold that I've got now in 2 degrees. But some of the people that raced here are legendary. Let me throw some names at you, see if you're impressed. Jackie Stewart, Jack Brabham, no, Sterling Moss, Juan Manuel Fangio. He held a track record here many a time. How about Alberto Ascari? It's unbelievable. The names is like the who's who of Formula One. Absolutely fantastic. And like I said, it's freezing cold right now. It's 2 degrees, but I had to wear my Gulf livery jacket, my Porsche racing hat, and I'm freezing. But on top of the freeze is goose pimples for the names that I've just called out. It's absolutely fantastic. It would be a great, weather is fantastic, it would be a great photo opportunity for my 911 right now, but unfortunately it's not here. But I do have some photos from the last time I came. What a legendary place.